Hello, welcome to a quick competition. Let's scan this thin plate structure with me using Trackit, the optical tracking scanner, and Travis using non-optical tracking one.
So of course, what does that mean? Since I'm using the non-optical tracking scanner, I'm gonna have to first place markers, but I'm not worried about it, Ash. I can do this quite quickly, very fast. So.
Okay, we'll see. So to make this actually more fair, mine is much bigger and more complicated.
Sure.
Travis. Okay, ready?
Let's do it, on your mark.
Okay, on my mark, 3, 2, 1. Hold on, let this be stable. Guys, when you're using the optical tracking scanner, always make the object be very static. Okay, don't move the object. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
How you doing over there, Ash?
Working on it.
Oh yeah, you're making pretty good time.
Focus on yours or you're gonna lose. Oh, or you're gonna try to make me distracted. Ah, so that's a good tactic. But I will not.
Looks like you're getting a little tired, Ash. Why don't you just take a quick break? I don't want your hand to start cramping up or anything.
You wish. I mean, you did watch a lot of Rabbit and Turtle, huh?
Oh yeah, the tugs in the hair. That is not what I'm trying to insinuate here. I'm dropping the markers. Getting nervous.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Halfway there.
Oh, come on. You know, Ash, I think you need to get a drink or something. You want a Coke?
Yeah, sure.
But maybe you should go get it.
Ah, okay, I will when I finish. Thanks for the suggestion.
Yeah, I'm about to flip mine over too. Once I flip this over and get both sides covered with markers, oh, I know it's gonna just fly through the scan.
Ah, you wish.
It's no fair, Ash. You were just shining that laser in my eye. I feel like I can't see now. It's unfair.
That's called tactics. So yeah, Trackit is a tactical scanner. You know, it works like a flashbang to your enemies. You want me to start the countdown? Because I am gonna. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 5, 4, 3,
Why you gotta be like that, Ash?
2, Okay, let's try to scan this yellow part a bit better. So I'll have a better result. Okay, fine. I'm done.
Okay, you proved your point.
So this match finished before you even started, guys. So my conclusion, what? Get a Trackit.
Yeah, and obviously even if I would have somehow speedily got all these markers down, I'd still have to either scan both sides and merge it, or, you know, if it was up like this, I had it hanging from here, I'd have to use some markers, right? And place it up here for the transition over to the other side. And that would also take, you know, I'd have to do it very carefully. It'd be easy to lose tracking, but I noticed you just whipped right around it.
Yeah,
and
without
didn't lose tracking at all.
Yeah, no worry a bit about the tracking or the marker or feature alignment with the tracking system. It does totally grant me freedom in scanning.
Yeah.
So guys, get a Trackit.